What's up guys, Square here and welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to be showing you these two sorting systems here. So I'm going to show you this version, which is a compact version, and this version, which is a multi-chest version. Before we start, I did not design either of these. This one's designed by Impulse SV, and this one is designed by an unknown source. I think it first appeared on Reddit, but correct me if I'm wrong. And also, I'm just going to let you know these work for both Bedrock and Java, and other than that I think that's everything. So let's just get into the size of them. So over here we have a 6 by however many you want. I'm just going to do by 5, and in the same here 6 by 5, and then here I'm going to be showing you how to build that thing over there, which is an auto dropper system using droppers, redstone, comparators, repeaters, that kind of stuff, just to drop them all into the system and sort them out for you. You will have to mostly copy exactly what I do, although you can make this go around corners and stuff with your own little instrument, aka just adding a few hoppers. And let's just start. So first we're going to build this one here with the system, and then if you want to know how to build the overflow one, then wait till the end. So what we're going to do is we're going to place some chests like this, then we're going to place some hoppers at the back. Then we're going to place some glass on top of them. Then we're going to place a few more hoppers, not like that, like that, like that, like that, like that, and like that. A block, on top of another block, hoppers all the way back here, place the block on the end. Boom, that's your hopper system all done. Now we're going to place some blocks back here, and some blocks like this. If you can reach all the way down there, just place the torches. Obviously you can break these blocks, but just make sure you place them afterwards. Then what you want to do is you want to place some blocks behind it, some repeaters, some blocks behind that, and then a row of blocks here and a row of blocks here. Then you'll throw comparators on the back of all of these, and basically like this, and that's literally all for this version of the storage system. So that's all you're going to need. We're going to quickly throw these back here, throw these out like that, and boom. Let's go close. Now I'm just going to quickly show you how to build the system. This can be built on either of them. I think that's what it's going to be. No, it doesn't. Okay. So what we're going to do first is place a chest, then a block there, 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 and there. A dropper there, a dropper there, and if you can get the right angle, a dropper there. Then you're going to want to place a block, a hopper, a comparator, another block, redstone there, 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 and there. A repeater, sorry, that is a repeater, not a comparator. A comparator, and I think, and make sure the repeater's that way around. That is everything. So there's just a block there, so you'll have the comparator into the repeater. If this system does powering that, and then powering this to make sure that there's more stuff in there, updating it and stuff, I think. So that's everything you'll need for this particular build. So you can build this on on this one as well. So I'm going to quickly show you the overflow system. So if we just get rid of those again, just get rid of that. So for the overflow system, you'll need just one more piece of redstone and a few more blocks. So again, we're just going to quickly throw these blocks back here, just on top of them. Then we'll want to place blocks behind that and behind that. I believe that is actually wrong. In fact, it is wrong because we want to place the hoppers like this first, and then the blocks behind that. Okay. Like this. So we're going to place, like we did last time, the glass behind it, stand on these blocks that we placed, and just place the hoppers into here, some scaffolding blocks, hoppers into the back of there, remove those scaffolding blocks like that. Oh wow, that was very clever of me actually. Like that. Now you're going to go up a block like this, place blocks in like that, Then you want to place blocks in like that, that, and that, and then blocks like this, and then torches like this. Then you want to place these blocks, not these blocks, sorry, the blocks at the very back. Place some repeaters all in one tick. Place these blocks back. Comparators coming out the back. Redstone like this. And that is literally everything. So you'll notice it's one block further back. And you might be thinking, why would you do that? That's just a waste of redstone, waste of the block. There's a few reasons for this. The first reason, as you might have noticed, the redstone torches are actually one further back, and they don't affect the hoppers themselves, or not the hoppers like in front of them. They affect the block, which affects the hopper. So they power the block above it, which powers the hopper. So what that means now is doing that, you can place the hopper straight underneath it, and effectively you can have multi-source systems. So let's say you have chests like this, and your torches were back here with the block there. Well, actually it'd be one back, wouldn't it? It'd be like that, with the block there into your hoppers. So you could now effectively just place your hoppers there and you just keep placing them down. So that would be underneath. So if this is where this hopper here is, you could place hoppers underneath and have it fill up all of those chests. You can make that, do anything with that. Whereas this shorter one, you can't do that. It locks the hoppers directly underneath, which means it blocks any hoppers being placed there. For obvious reasons that wouldn't work. So, and also there's one other reason you might want this, and that is to do with the fact that we have overflow errors. So if you this isn't something out of your Python class, this is, or your computer science class, this is simply just when these fill up, or if these fill up, then these won't fill up. So if these fill up here, then it won't trigger all of the systems, and it won't start leaking items through and breaking the entire system. So it just makes it slightly harder to break, which is great for this specific design. So now what I'm going to show you to do is how to stop these. So you would take your blocks and then just throw the rest of the blocks in there. Same for this one. Let's say we want to do glass. Take your blocks. Oh, that didn't work. That needs to fill up first, sorry. I'll mark it. So let that filter all the way through, then you do the same for this, and then when you put stuff in this chest, it would shoot it through here, and then you just get it feeding through here into this chest here. It's very simple. Same for this one. If you put items in the hopper underneath, like this, and items in the hopper underneath, then you place both of those items. So let's say we have 9 of that and 9 of that. As you'll see here, we have 9 in each. If you place those two in here, it will sort them into the correct chests, therefore making them both 18 again. They're great little systems. If you were to ask me for my recommendation, I would say build this one, unless you don't have the space. But other than that, there's literally no reason why you wouldn't build this one. Although this one works a bit better on Bedrock, although I did see a design by, I believe, Silent Whisper, or someone along those lines, who built one specially designed for Bedrock, which doesn't have the same, doesn't have some errors of items leaking through and stuff, just because of the hoppers on Bedrock and stuff, and the armor liabilities. So, thank you very much for watching, and in my next video, I will show you different 2x1 piston trapdoor designs. Bye.